To add to my collection.
Awesome. Not much of a fish there, but I'm gonna put one on the sea star.
See if I got this fish. Yeah, I think I got one. Using a live bait hook and a live sardine. Here it comes right here, a little calico bass. There we go. Not a monster by any means, but the fish are starting to bite. Our captain, Skipper Joe, just made a little move, and we're way farther south than we normally fish with them. So this calico is hooked kind of deep. See if I can just hook this, shake this hook out of him.
Cameras.
Okay. We'll unhook him here in a moment.
Okay.
Oh, wow, there's a big calico. Okay.
See, you should have something.
Nice one.
No.
I thought he was stuck in the go.
I'll get it for you. Here you go.
On live bait, sliding egg sinker. Not bad. Right here, about 12, 13 miles from Oceanside.
Yeah, let me get this here for you. We'll show you a little bit. See, he's got the small slider here, and he's got his leader, and then it comes down. You can see where that fish took the bait all the way in there. So he really let him eat it a long time, which is good for a sardine. Now this is a nice, really quality bass. It's probably 15, no, it's more than that. It's probably 16 or 17 inches. It's a nice 3.5 pound bass, maybe a little bit bigger. We're gonna unhook him, and he's got a nice, about a 1-0 or 2-0 2-0 hook on there. That's what did it. Beautiful calico.
I was just winding in my sardine to change the bait, and I got it toward the boat, and a fish came up and ate it out of the kelp. Here it comes. Little sand bass. Sand bass and a live bait, live sardine. And there's my fish. Still not a legal fish, but different variety. Got a couple calicos, now I got a sand bass. Hopefully next one will be a legal one. But again, you can just see my mustad hook here. Using a live bait hook, little sinker with the live sardine, catching these fish.